Hello everyone, my name is Jada Pitts and I'm normally the associate for North Branch Library. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we've been trying to come up with ways to still communicate with you all from home. Today I'm going to be showing you some neat and affordable ways to spring clean your home and organize. If you have a lot of bags like I do, you can find it to be a bit of a hassle to store them without having to flatten them or stack them, which may cause them to lose their unique shape. But if you use an over-the-door set of hooks, this makes them easier to store, easier to select, and allows them to keep their shape. This hook can be used on the front or the back of the door. You can purchase this set of hooks at a local Walmart or Home Depot, Lowe's, or even order them from Amazon. They usually range anywhere between $7 to $10. I also have lots of shoes. Some of them I still have boxes for, and some I absolutely do not. For box shoes, stacking them saves space and makes them easier to select. You can stack at the bottom or top of any closet. Loose shoes without the box are easy to store by using a shoe rack or an underbed storage container. Both of these are great for storing multiple pairs of shoes and keeps them neat and up out of the way. Both of these items typically range from $10 to $20 at local stores and online. Another helpful item to have is a 4-tier hanger. This hanger allows you to hang 4 items of clothing on one hanger, which saves space compared to 4 separate hangers. This hanger can be used for pants, skirts, or shirts. It ranges between $6 to $12 at local stores and online. Hey guys, I hope that these tips help you to become better organized at home. Here at NPL, we want to encourage you to abide by the Safer at Home order and remember to wash your hands. And if you must go out, we want to encourage you to always wear a mask and stay 6 feet apart. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.